Hello everyone, my name is Jul Mua. Welcome back to my channel, and I create a lot. I can do hair, makeup, accessory, everything you need to do to come up with a beautiful picture. First of all, thank you so much for being here again on my channel. Thank you for all of your love and support, and welcome to the new photography challenge. So the concept for this was like really simple. The only thing I want to avoid is actually the Berlin winter, because here now it's like really like dark, gray and gloomy, and I want to have something fun. So the only thing for the shoot, actually I have only one adjective, fun, and that's how it turned out. So for the clothes, my first stop was in a fabric market, and I bought this amazingly fun fabric, and I want to have it like very nice oversized fit, and I even make the cutouts, but I think they're like way too small to be visible in the end picture. That sucks.
So, as you remember, I'm not a real tailor, so I use existing t-shirt to outline my scheme and work around this. Then actually I sew it all together, I correct the neckline, and then actually I realized that the t-shirt is looking kind of bland, so I decided to have a cutout. I started from the bottom when I decided to have a cutout in the middle of the shirt. Unfortunately, it's not visible as I mentioned, but sewing it was a lot of fun. I like it a lot, so yeah, the t-shirt turned out actually really good.
Accessories was also kind of tricky, because what accessories are screaming fun into your face? Actually, I hope this one. I had this like nice stars. I did them previously, and I want to use this for another project, but yada yada yada. And I also have this like smiley face, and they can do like this. So it's a fun feature to have. I didn't use it in my photo shoot, but at least it's fun, yes?
I started with the earrings obviously because it made more sense to me. I connect all of my stars with the smiley faces together. I knew the earrings was like way too heavy to be attached to the actual ears, so you see they have the wires to distribute the weight of the earrings more evenly. Then I realized just the earrings is kind of boring, so I decided to have the watch, but not like the normal watch. The time actually will be the same, it will be just a phrase, it's a time. And this was all of my accessories for this look.
My model name is Buja, and you are familiar with her from my fitness look. And with the hair, we created this like two nice face bun. I have this like nice, very bright yellow eyeshadow, and I have this like intricate liner all over her eyes. And this is how the look came to life.
As usually, I start with the hair. We created this like nice face buns. Then actually I get the Buja eyebrows back to the normal stage, like existing one. Then I use the yellow eyeshadows to create this like nice base for this intricate eyeliner, and then we added up the lips, and also we have a fake nails to complete the look.
For the setup, I really want to have a background that's like really bright, like orange or yellow. Unfortunately, the only background I own is beige, and it's like way too nude for this shoot. So I use like my white wall, I get my color light on a maximum, and this is how I created this look.
As you can see, it's a very simple free light setup, and the shooting itself was a blast, and Bouger is amazing to work with.
So Bouger has the most beautiful skin, so I didn't need to retouch a lot. I just enhanced the color, fixed the fit of the t-shirt, and then it was done. Thank you so much again for tuning in. I hope you liked this photography journey a lot. I hope I will see you next Tuesday. So please share, like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you later.